So here we are at Irlam station, and the reason we're here today is because this station finally has step-free access. What does that mean? It means every single person who lives in the Irlam and Cadishead area can use this station. But it should always have been like that, and it should be the case that all stations in Greater Manchester should be fully accessible to every single person living here.
Really pleased to be here today at Irlam station. Now that we've got the lifts installed, it means that it really is an inclusive and accessible step-free station. So I'm really excited that I'll be able to make more trips and visit the cafe and all the facilities, just like anybody else in Greater Manchester. So this is a real step forward for the B network and our work to have a much more inclusive network for everyone.
We've campaigned for many years to have lifts installed, and now due to Access for All and the partnerships of Hamilton Davies Trust, Transport for Greater Manchester, Network Rail, it's now absolutely happened. And for the residents of not just Irlam and the surrounding areas, but for all of the people using the trains, this means that they can travel in the knowledge that they can get off our trains and then be able to use the lift in safety and comfort. And this gives them a better and fairer access to public transport.